How to scan QR code on Telegram to join group. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can scan QR code on Telegram to join a group, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have a certain QR code of a group, so in my case if I open up my gallery app here, you should be able to find that I have got a QR code of a Telegram group that maybe I would like to join. Now I can simply join this group if I have the QR code by scanning this QR code. So I can scan this QR code by using my default QR code scanner on my device. So my phone already comes with a QR code scanner over here, so I can just go ahead and open up QR code scanner. Now if you don't find it, if you don't have default scanner, then you can also download a third-party app from your Play Store. Then of course we could scan if it was another layer below the object, but we want to choose a photo from gallery, so just choose to go ahead and then select your gallery icon here, then just select that QR code, then just go ahead and then basically place it, hit the done button. It will automatically scan that. If you have Telegram logged in, you can just open up that link. It will successfully open itself up in Telegram app, and then you can just choose to join that group. And that's all it takes to scan a QR code on Telegram to join group. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.